Let's just solve this question. In a square ABCD of side 9 units, X and Y are points on side AD and DC respectively. So square is given A, B, C, and D. X and Y are the points on side this side. One point is X, and on this side DC, there is point Y. It is given AX is 2 times of XD. Or I can say this length AX is 2 times of XD. So if this is point X, so the ratio of these two lengths is 1:2. Also CY is 2 times of DY. So we can take Y here. So then a ratio of these two lengths is also given me as 1:2. Now find the area of triangle BYX. So when I join these 2 points to B, I have to find the area of this triangle BYX. So side of this square is given me as 9, and this side is divided into this ratio. So this side 1:3 means this is 6 unit, this is 3 unit, this is 3 unit, this is 6 unit. So I can easily find the area of this square. Area of square. Complete square is X square, that is side square 81. And I need to subtract the area of these 3 triangles, that is BYC, BAX, and XDY to get the area of this triangle. So area of triangle BYC will be area of square minus area of triangle BCY minus area of triangle BX minus area of triangle XBY. Now, area of triangle BCY, this area is half. Base into height, base is 6 and height is 9 units. So it will be 27 units. Area of this triangle, area of BAX, base into height, base is 6 and height is 9 again. 6 into 9, it is 27 again. And area of this smaller triangle, area of triangle XDY will be how much? Half base into height, base is 3, height is 3, it is 4.5 units. So I need to subtract 27 plus 27, 54 plus 4.5, that is 58.5 from 81 to get the area of this triangle BYX. That is 58.5. So this is 1.5 to 60 and 21. So 22.5 is the area of triangle BYX. So correct answer to this question is option C.